the xView, we figured out a way to expand the field of view on our current architecture of microscope without need of redoing the scanner. And with larger field of view sorts of scans, you typically encounter aberrations and resolution decreases at the edges of the field of view. And we're able to mitigate a lot of this with utilizing the technology that we developed already with the ETL. And so in combination with the ETL, these xView lenses that we custom created are able to give a much bigger field of view, up to a field number 45 equivalent scan on the same system. And it's a field exchangeable lens set that we've incorporated in our system. It takes advantage of our new electronics, which increase the resolution not only in galvo mode to 8K by 8K, but also in resonant mode. So we can do 5K by 5K resonant imaging to get nearly Nyquist imaging or Nyquist sampling of this larger field of view with the extended capability of the xView. Like I mentioned, like many of our developments, it's field upgradable. It's an optional add-on to the 2P+, and so you don't need to purchase it right away. But if your experiment calls for it later on, we can definitely add it on. And this is the sort of data that you get comparing our standard field of view, which is already pretty big with field number 28, to xView 36, which is a 36 millimeter field number equivalent, all the way up to our largest field number equivalent, which is 45. It's compatible with multiple objective lenses, and so you're not stuck with one. And so you could use it with a low mag objective lens like this 4x objective lens in order to get even bigger fields of view with our xView modules. And of course, you can do this live. And so this is data from our collaborator at University of Pittsburgh. This is Caroline Runyon's lab that shows that you can now actually correlate activity at even bigger fields of view than she could already with her 2P+. And so this is their standard field of view, field number 28. And then moving on to field number 45, she can see cellular activity now beyond the field of view that she was limited to before with her 2P+. So you can see activity of cells at the edges of the field of view that she would not have been able to see previously.